Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I was browsing yesterday the Craigslist for cars, obviously, right? Always on lookout. And I saw this 1995 Toyota Tacoma SR5 4-wheel drive for sale for $2,000. I'm like, oh, wow. And I found out that this Taco has 470,000 miles on the clock. It's a 4-cylinder, right, small engine. It has a one owner only, and the engine apparently for some reason stopped running, and that's why it's for sale. So I want to share that with you, right? It's something interesting. Always see how long these Tacomas and Toyotas last, right? Some people sell them at 220,000 miles. They think they will go out soon. This one has 470, and possibly with a little repair will keep driving. Now it's really raining for next 3 days, so I'm not going to look at it, but if it will be still for sale, I will go check it out for you, film it, talk to the owner, hear the story, and possibly buy it, maybe even as a project truck for this channel, right? That will be interesting to fix her up, keep driving, and turn that odometer over 500,000 miles. So I want to share really quickly that with you. Be subscribed, because that might be something in the future. See you later.